Hello, everybody. I am Vince, the founder of SourceClips.co, the solution to anybody who's in the YouTube automation space or faceless channels where you struggle to get content for your videos. So let me just show you how this works here real quick. I'm just going to hide my face. That way I'm not in the way. So as you can see here, find top YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram source videos, and there's actually more than that. So let's say that I am going to make a YouTube channel on Lord of the Rings, and I want to get content for the new Lord of the Rings game that's coming out. I can go ahead and set it to find, I'm just for the sake of the video, I'm going to do 5 from each source. So it's going to find 5. Well, let me just hit find videos here. So what it's doing right now is it's going through TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram and grabbing 5 videos for that keyword search and returning those results for us. And then we can go through, preview them, and download them and clip them into mini clips. So let's say here, we see we got YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Let's just look at the...
So a bit over a week ago, the internet...
Okay, so we know that with this one that it would not be a good... that would not be a good one to use because it's got this guy in there the whole time. So we are not going to put a check on download that one.
I honestly can't believe that I make
that one.
So ever since Warhorse Studios officially they specifically come deliverance.
Okay, we've got a winner, so I'm going to put a check on that video, and then let's look at the TikTok content here.
This game is in the works, and as your fellow Lord...
Okay, it's got a guy in there for some of it, not all of it. You know, let's go ahead and download that. And as you can see here, that was TikTok, YouTube. Let's also grab some Instagram. That clearly has a guy talking. That has a guy talking. And that has a guy talking. Does this? All right, we got a winner. So I'm going to click on download this one. And I'm just going to click on download selected up here at the top. And what this is doing right now is it's downloading those videos to my local computer. This is not a web platform. This is actually an application that you can run on your Mac or Windows. And now this might take a few moments, and the reason why it might take a few moments is because we're going and downloading all of the videos that we have selected, and some of them might actually be quite long. So I will just, I'll skip this part on the video. All right, so it just downloaded the videos to our local computer, and now we know with fair use that we can do generally up to 7 seconds. So actually my camera's in the way there. That we can do up to 7 seconds. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to tell it to not include the audio in the clips that we make and to basically go and clip those 3 source videos and make subclips for every 7 seconds. So we're cutting the 3 downloaded videos into 7-second clips without audio. And again, all this is running locally on your computer. So the benefit there is that you're not going to have to go and download these from a web platform. It's already on your computer, ready for you to throw into your editor and do your video editing. All right, and then we can see down here at the bottom that we have all of these clips. So basically, I'm just showing 5 from each thing. So this was, I believe, the YouTube video. You can see no audio. This is a 7-second clip. It's going through, and then we could continue that. So yeah, anyways, we've got 7-second clips from each of those sources. Let's check out the, I believe this was the Instagram no, this was the TikTok. Let's see what the video was. So that does have the guy in there a little bit. So clearly we wouldn't use those portions of the video. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely perfect. And then I believe this was the TikTok. Again, without video or without audio. And then finally, let me go ahead and show you the other feature here is finding related images. I believe we can go up to, let's just throw 100 in there, find images. Just previewing 12 of, looks like it found 95 for that. So let's go ahead and click download images. We're going to download those as well. And again, all of this is being downloaded to your local computer because this app is running on your local computer. And here in just a moment, I will also show you how we handle attribution. I believe that's how you say the word because, oh, here we are. So let's say that you use one of these source videos in your, or source video, a clip from the video or one of these images, and somebody reaches out and says, hey, I would rather you didn't use that. And then you want to verify that, it is something, where did you get it? So for every clip and every image that we downloaded, we have the source, kind of a source audit, where it shows, hey, this was the image, this is the image URL, and this is the page that we grabbed it from. And we do the same. Scroll down here. We do the same for videos. I should add a filter here so you can filter between videos and images. Let me see if I can find one. Oh no, duh! I'm on the image one. So if I scroll up and I go to sources on video, then I can see that, hey, these are the videos that we pulled. We've got the source URL, the local file where it's saved on your computer, and how many clips that we downloaded or generated from that video. All right, so this is almost ready to launch, and I'm looking for people. Basically, go ahead and click the link down in the description. I'm offering a 20% off for a launch special, and I'm looking forward to getting feedback. Oh, let me go ahead and show you guys here. So now I can just open the folder. Let me see if I guess I can't zoom in. There we go. I'll zoom in like this. There we go. So now we have in this image folder all of the images that were downloaded, and then in the sources we have that was the YouTube video, the TikTok. So you have the full video unclipped, and then if we go into the clips, again, nice and organized. We've got the this was the YouTube, this was the, I believe that was the TikTok or whatever. So our 7-second clips for all of those, you can drag those into Premiere Pro or whatever video editor you use, and they are absolutely ready to go. So I think that was a long-winded explanation, but click the link down in the description, because as somebody who's trying to make faceless videos, I created the tool that I needed because I was wasting so much time trying to find clips for my videos. All right, I'll see you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know down below if this is something that you would find useful. I'll see you next time.